Welcome back to another video, and this video is gonna be a little different than all of them. Basically, we got a new project and it's not a car this time. We got a pretty nice speedboat, and there is a lot of work on that boat. Actually, I'm driving the Jeep, the Gladiator, and that boat is huge, 35 foot long, and I'm not even sure if this can pull that, but I guess we're gonna send it anyways and take it to our shop, and we'll see how it goes. I hope I don't have to call somebody else with a bigger truck, but if anything, I'll go get the Dodge. I'm super excited for this project. This is something different. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, I'm excited. We'll need a lot of gas to pull that boat, and I got the boys with the roof down to film us driving, so we're all set for that. Alright, so we just got here. I'm just gonna show you a little bit, and then when we get the boat to the yard, I'll give you more details. I'll show you all around, but for now I'm just gonna show you this. Basically, we got a pretty good deal. I know the boat is all empty, doesn't have anything. So that's the bad boy over here. It's like a mile long. Crazy. I hope I'm not gonna have problem pulling this with the Jeep. Right, so we are back on this boat. Well, the other day we didn't really have time. We just dropped the boat at the shop and left because we had to go somewhere. But yeah, now I have a little more time. I'll show you guys around and kind of talk about this boat. Well, first of all, it's gonna be a really long project. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but it's not building a car, it's a boat, and it's huge. So it's gonna take my goal is to be done with this boat in 3-4 months, but we'll see how it's gonna go. Basically, what I'm planning is not to shave until the boat is done, so that's gonna motivate me. So I hope when the boat is done, my beard is somewhere over here, which is about 3 months and not 6 months. So that's 1999 scrub. It's a 33 foot long boat, speedboat. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name right, scrub, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. So the original owner flipped this boat. He was going about 95 miles per hour and Delta River, and went kind of sideways, hit the wave and flipped. And the boat actually has only like 20 hours. It was just sitting forever. That's why it looked kind of burned and everything. As you see, the bench in the back, the 2 seats over here, we're gonna change the whole color. We're gonna change the design on the vinyl. Of course, you're gonna go with peanut butter. That would be the color, with some diamond stitches instead of those funny looking lines. All right, so that was the view from the top. I'll show you guys inside. We are missing a lot of parts. The biggest thing we're missing is the two engines, and they're pretty big engines. We'll get to that a little later. It has like a little door over here, and that's inside. Same thing over here. We will change the color. It's gonna be a peanut butter. We'll probably keep the white on top because that's gonna look nice, but we have to clean everything, detail everything, because it's kind of dirty. So it has a sink, like a little cabin over here, or whatever that is. What is that? I'm not even sure what's that. Oh, look at that. Hi there. That's me. And it's pretty nice over here. This benches are actually pretty comfortable. I'm not sure how many people you can fit over here, but yeah, you can even sleep here. That's the sunroof that goes up, and you can get out. What get in? Boom. So there is like, I'm not sure if that would be the cooler or just storage. But believe me or not, there is a toilet, and I just find out there is a toilet over here. And look at this. Boom. Seriously, there's a toilet. Wow, that's cool. I mean, I don't know how comfortable this is gonna be, but yeah, there is one over here. I guess you do your thing, you flip it, and then you eat on top. Use it as a table. Yeah, good luck. So you guys stay with us till the end, because that's gonna be a pretty fun project. Everything is gonna be different. So I'll give you guys another look from outside. Well, looks like the original owner started kind of working on this boat, but all this is trash. Everything has to be fixed. Well, there's gonna be like a little molding all around and covering all this. It's gonna go all around. But we did have a guy that works with boats only, and he came over here, he looked, he ready to give us a price, so he's gonna start working here pretty soon. And he knows everything about boats. He's gonna have to grind everything, because we do have little cracks. He's gonna have to grind and use some fiberglass and do whatever he's doing. But he's gonna get it ready and do a gel coat, the whole boat. After the gel coat is done, we will vinyl wrap, I would say just the size somehow, with matte black, and we will put the name of the boat with gold lattice right there. So when this thing is done, it's gonna be a totally different boat. It's gonna be a sick project, long project, but fun project. Of course, you're gonna have to paint the trailer, change those wheels, put a nice black wheels. You can't just fix the boat and forget about that trailer. Everything is gonna look brand new. And there's the other side. Well, forget about that boat for a second and look at the sky. Man, there's some nice clouds today. Well, we're back over here. Yeah, he did a little work over here, but we didn't like the quality, so everything is gonna have to be fixed. We're gonna have to grind down everything, because you see like little cracks, which is not good, and this looks bad. Well, everything's gonna have to be grind down and use fiberglass. There's some bigger cracks over here. Nothing bad, but it wasn't done right. Right, and what do we have here? Well, looks like we got nothing over here. This is where we're gonna spend a lot of money. So for now, the plan is to wait. We found a really nice speedboat at the auction, but we gotta wait when it's gonna play and try to see if we get lucky. It has pretty nice engines and it has everything that we need for this boat. Everything. If we get that one, that's gonna be a winner for us. If not, then we know this company, they have pretty nice motors. We're gonna have to work with them and get some pretty nice 6.2s over here. We'll see how it goes, but I wish you get that one from the auction. We're not gonna go too crazy just to get it because we don't want to spend too much money on this boat. So we'll see how it goes. At this point, I think I'm giving you guys too much information already. I'll let you know more as we go, so I don't ruin none of the surprises. But other than that, we gotta get to it because there is a lot of work and we can't really do a sloppy work or we can't use shortcuts or nothing. That's a really expensive project. So everything has to be perfect, everything has to be right. And to do it right, we need time and we need patience. Well, this is a wrap for today's video, but you guys stay tuned because a lot more videos are coming on this boat. Like I mentioned before, it's gonna be a fun project. It's a new project for us, so it's gonna be a pretty good experience. But please like our videos, share, subscribe to our channel, find us on Instagram. That way you get more information from there, and stay tuned. Catch you guys later.